Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
साउथ गोवा शॅक ओनरांची लागीं एमपीटी परमिशन घे म्हणून मागता. तसोच लास्ट टायम 2-3 विलेजींनी तेमी वचोन शॅकां बंद केल्ली आनी एक विलेजीन तेमी नोटीस धाडली एमपीटीन. मागीर आमी सीएमा कडेन उलोवन दुसऱ्या डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन उलोवन आमी ते सॉल्व करून तेमी एलाव केल्ले. बट एक विलेजीन वास्को तेमी घालपाक दिवंक ना शॅकां. लास्ट इयर घालपाक दिवंक ना, आतांय ते घालपाक दिना. सो सीएमा कडेन एक रिक्वेस्ट जाता तितले बेगीन हो आमचो इशू सॉल्व करचो.
This is a major concern for all the coastal communities, and we as Goans cannot accept that a state within a state, because we have a local panchayat bodies where all this, say for example the shack owners, they seek their permission from the shack owners. The GCZMA is giving, the pollution control board. We have the food and drugs. All these are authorities. Why do we need another authority in here?
The water limit and anything to establish, they want our permission.
If anybody approaches you, are you willing to give the NOC, sir?
We'll give the NOC, why not?
Okay,
but
sir.
It should be routed through tourism department.
Okay, it should be routed through tourism department. So
Yeah,
that means the tourism department will inform the shack owner will approach you and you will give NOC.
Yeah.